You're welcome back to my channel. You're welcome back to Taron Innovative World, the home of creativity and expert. Alright, if today is your first time of seeing my channel, please do well by subscribing. Encourage your girl to do more videos. Alright, so all you need to do is click on that red subscribe button. Alright, so and there's a bell beside you, just click on it and that is all, you are in. Alright, so that you can get notified anytime I upload new videos. Alright, so and thanks to all my subscribers and thank you for all the comments, for the encouragement. Alright, so in today's video I'll be teaching you how to stop wasting banners, used banners. Instead of throwing used banners away, what can you do? What can you make out of those banners? Alright, so I'll be teaching you how to do something very crucial, very important with you. Alright, so this is supposed to be a waste banner. Can you see? Alright, so this is supposed to be a waste banner. Alright, so it's supposed to be a waste banner. Can you see? Alright. So, and instead of throwing it away, all you need to do is, I'm going to teach you how to make offering envelopes out of these banners. You can use, instead of throwing wedding banners and other ceremonial banners away, make something good out of it. Alright, so now I'll be teaching you how to make an offering envelope or tithe envelope or any other purse out of this. Okay, so now this is a used banner. Okay, so I cut it into my desired the size of an envelope. Okay, and this is called a flex material, a flex banner. Okay, so now I cut it into, let me see the size. The size is 9 inches by 10 inches. It's almost not up to 10 inches actually. Okay, can you see? So alright, so 9 by 10 inches. Okay, so now this is the 10 inches side. So I'm going to fold like half an inch inside like this. Okay, so this is the long side, the longest side. So you're going to see what I'm going to make out of this. So now the next thing is I'm going to fold this and top stitch it. Alright. Okay. It's really raining here. Alright. So the next thing is I'm going to fold some in. Can you see? So I'm leaving like 1.5 inches. Let's see. So this is almost 1.5. Can you see? But you can leave 1.5. So this is like 1.5. Can you see? 1.5. Okay. So I'm going to top stitch it. You can actually make purse out of this. So please, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, do well by subscribing. Encourage your girl to do more videos. Alright. So I'm going to, so we are using, so this is it. So don't let it get close to the opening. So see what we have. So I'm just going to top stitch here. I'm not closing it up. Alright, so see what I have. So this is where my money is entering. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, do well by subscribing. Alright, see you in my next video. Please like the video by clicking the thumbs up. Comment if you have any question. Thank you so much. See you in my next video.